You know that feeling when you're traveling, whether it's for business or pleasure, and you just want to seamlessly use your money without worrying about exchange rates, foreign transaction fees, or where the nearest ATM for your bank is. Especially when crossing the border into the United States? It can be a real headache. Many of us, particularly our Canadian friends, often wonder, does TD offer a U.S. debit card that can simplify cross-border banking? It's a valid question, given how often Canadians travel to the U.S. for vacations, shopping trips, or even work. Having a local U.S. debit card would certainly make life easier, eliminating the constant need for currency conversion and avoiding those pesky fees that eat away at your travel budget. So, let's dive into whether TD provides this convenient solution. TD's U.S. debit card options. The good news is, yes, TD does offer U.S. dollar debit cards. However, it's important to understand the nuances, especially depending on whether you're a Canadian resident banking with TD Canada Trust or a U.S. resident banking with TD Bank, America's most convenient bank. If you're a Canadian resident, TD Canada Trust offers solutions designed for cross-border banking. One of the primary ways to get a U.S. debit card experience is by opening a U.S. dollar account, such as the Borderless Plan or the U.S. Daily Interest Checking account. These accounts come with a Visa debit card linked to your U.S. dollar funds. This means you can make purchases and withdraw cash in U.S. dollars directly from your U.S. dollar account, helping you avoid foreign currency conversion fees that typically apply when using a Canadian dollar card in the U.S. For those who are U.S. residents, when you open a TD checking account with TD Bank, the U.S. entity, you automatically receive a Visa debit card linked to that account. This is a standard U.S. debit card, allowing you to pay for purchases, withdraw cash from ATMs, and manage your finances within the U.S. banking system. These cards come with modern features like contactless and chip technology, and you can easily add them to your digital wallet for convenient payments. So, what makes these TD U.S. debit card options so useful? First, the primary benefit is convenience. Having a U.S. dollar debit card means you're operating in the local currency, which simplifies transactions and budgeting when you're in the United States. You won't have to constantly calculate exchange rates in your head. Second, you can save on fees. Using a U.S. dollar debit card linked to a U.S. dollar account generally helps you avoid the foreign currency conversion fees that often accompany using a Canadian dollar card for U.S. transactions. While there might be monthly fees for certain U.S. dollar accounts, these can often be waived by maintaining a minimum balance. Third, TD offers integrated cross-border banking solutions. If you're a TD Canada Trust customer with U.S. dollar accounts, you can often view both your Canadian and U.S. accounts online on the same platform. This integration also allows for easy transfers between your Canadian and U.S. dollar accounts. Fourth, you get widespread acceptance. Since these are Visa debit cards, they're accepted anywhere Visa is, both online and in person, globally. This means whether you're at a gas station, a restaurant, or shopping online, your card will likely work seamlessly. Finally, TD debit cards come with security features like chip technology and fraud monitoring, providing peace of mind when you're spending. You can also manage your card, lock it if misplaced, and set up alerts through the TD app or online banking. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.